Hello and welcome back to Walnut Lodge. Just have a look behind me at the gite. The roses are in full flower, and it's the end of April, so that's good. You may remember about 6 months ago I extended the pool house. And it's been like this for 6 months, but today's the day I'm going to put a new roof on. It's had a coat of paint, and we only just burnt down this pampas to give us access behind the pool house. But now today I'm going to put tiles on it. First job is to batten off the roof. I need to put the battens on at a 32 centimetre gap between them. They're the tiles that we've recycled. When we put the windows in the main house, I don't know whether you can see on the roof, these are the tiles we took off. So we haven't had to buy new ones, and they're going to be sort of in keeping. They're going to look old style. So that's what I'm doing now. That's all the battens on. I've added an extra lip to give it a little bit of support for the front ones, and now I've started putting the tiles on. I was I was a little bit worried that the angle wasn't right. But yeah, it's fine. There we go, all finished. I've run out of tiles, but fortunately we had some new tiles in one of the barns, so I've used them. They're weathering in a couple of months' time. I've still got to lay a ridge, mortar ridging down this far side, but it looks better than it did. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you want to subscribe, just hit the subscribe button down below. We'd love it if you did.